Hello, good morning viewers. Today I am here again after a long time to demonstrate you, to show you the separation and examination of chlorophyll pigments in a given plant species. And for this purpose we will use the technique paper chromatography. So here I have some leaves of spinach. Spinach leaves are there. These spinach leaves are crushed and converted in the form of a paste here in this mortar and pestle. Right? When we make the paste of spinach leaves, then add a few drops of acetone also. So this is our paste of spinach leaves. It is quite smooth paste. Now we have a special type of filter paper. This is Whatman filter paper. We take a strip of this Whatman filter paper, and on this filter paper we will put a drop of this paste here. A brush, and with the help of brush we will put a drop of this paste, little bit, somewhat upper side of the point. Now I will make it dry, and when this drop becomes dry, then again I will put the drop of paste, right? And it will be repeated 5 to 6 times. So this is the strip of Whatman filter paper, and on this strip I have loaded the drop of paste obtained by crushing the spinach leaves. Now this is the solvent. It is a mixture of 100 part petroleum ether and 12 part acetone, right? In this I will put this filter paper, but remember that this sample, this drop should not be in the touch of solvent. It should remain above the level of solvent. In this way you have to keep it. I am showing you. So you can see that the drop, the paste is somewhat above the level of solvent, and now we have to wait for some time. Now you can see that from that drop of sample the various pigments are being separated, and through the Whatman filter paper strip they are rising up. You can see the difference in the colors like this. It is little bit yellowish, then greenish, then pure yellow, and then at the top this line of yellow. Let them separate more. So now after 30 minutes I am observing this paper. I am just taking out from the jar. You can see very clearly here, this is chlorophyll B. It is chlorophyll B. This portion is of chlorophyll B, and this darker part is of chlorophyll A, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. Right? Then it is xanthophyll. This portion is xanthophyll, and this uppermost part it is of carotene. So these four pigments are separated from this mixture. Which one? Chlorophyll A. यहाँ तक chlorophyll A. This is chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A. And this is xanthophyll. This is xanthophyll and this is carotene. So in this way, by paper chromatography, we can separate the 4 pigments of chloroplast. If you like this video, then please press the button of like and share this channel. Thank you.